Welcome to English for Beginners. Today's lesson is Vegetables Name. Tomato. Example, she cut up tomatoes for a salad. Onion. Example, he is growing onions in the garden this year. Garlic. Example, we use garlic to add a very strong flavor to the food. Potato. Example, I need to buy some potatoes. Sweet potato. Example, we use a lot of sweet potatoes. Cucumber. Example, peel the cucumber and chop it into small cubes. Carrot. Example, I had carrot soup for dinner. Green peas. Example, my little sister picked up many green peas in the field. Corn. Example, the corn grew waist high in the fields. Eggplant. Example, Sammy likes to eat eggplant. Bell pepper. Example, pieces of bell pepper are commonly used in salads. Lettuce. Example, all she had was tomato and lettuce. Pumpkin. Example, let's have a pumpkin pie. Green cabbage. Example, if you overcook the cabbage, it'll turn to mush. Beetroot. Example, sit down and drink some beetroot juice instead. Red cabbage. Example, to cook this weird meal, we need eggs, butter, species, and red cabbage. Radish. Example, the radish is a small red vegetable. Mushroom. Example, there are many types of wild mushroom. Ginger. Example, it's the ginger that makes it so good. Avocado. Example, the avocado is a valuable food. Spinach. Example, she forced him to eat spinach. Stay tuned for more lessons.